Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot and record the screen on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. So, if you want to take a photo of the current screen that you're looking at, I'm going to show you how to do it. The first thing that we need to do is just select the screen that you want to take a screenshot of. Maybe you want to take a screenshot of some app or anything like that. It can be anywhere. And then what we need to do is tap the power volume down and power buttons at the same time, like that. And takes a screenshot. You can see it on the bottom left. And you can click on it to inspect it in the gallery. And you can also edit it, so you can do different things. As you can see, the screenshot was taken. Once you're done, you can just exit out, it will be saved. Now to screen record, what we need to do is open up the system tray on the top right. And then we need to expand this little bar right here. Let me do that again. Expand it like that. Select the screen recorder tool, tap on it. And select the options that you want, so full screen or partial screen. I'm going to select full screen. Audio to record, both the media and the mic. And then show taps and touches, so you can see on the recording where you have been tapping on the phone. Then select start recording. It's going to start counting down, and once the countdown is done, the recording will start. You have a little menu on the top, which you can hide, but it has some important information, like you can pause the video recording, you can continue it, or you can just stop it fully. And then once you've stopped it, it's going to be saved to the gallery. There it is. And you can turn on the sound. The recording will start. You have a little... And as you can hear, the recording is working. And it's recorded everything, the voice, the sound, and other things. And that is pretty much it for this video. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.